Hello, 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 my food loving friends, and welcome back to Cooking at Fan's Kitchen. Now, this granola recipe, I made it specifically for those of you who are going back to work, who are homeschooling, or for those of you who decided to start a new business and you're busy and you're looking for a healthy, all around snack, something you can just grab and go. This is perfect for breakfast for the entire family. The process of making it might seem a little bit long, but really, as soon as you put all the ingredients together and put it in the oven, you're good to go. And this is something that will not go bad easily. So, my food loving friends, let's join Matthew as he teaches how to make the most amazing granola. I swear by this recipe, and I'm begging you to please just try it. The entire family is gonna love it. There you have it, my food-loving friends. Delicious homemade granola. You should definitely try this recipe. The kids are gonna love it. You are gonna love it. So, you can have this with yogurt or have it for breakfast as a morning cereal or just have it as a snack. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And my food loving friends, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.